quatro amigas. Vende bago. So good. Oba we no can answer. But I can't get you wake up back. Guys, you quatro amigas. Vende bago. So good. Oba we no can answer. But I can't get you wake up back.
People, you're welcome back. The video that you've just watched and you're seeing right now is what is happening in Anambra State, that's in Biafra land. Remember, just few hours ago, about 30 youths were given a RIP by Nigerian security forces. You can see they are now operating in this village called Uburu and Uli in Anambra State as we're speaking. They have, raised their red flag there. The Nigerian army has taken the community. Is that exactly the peace we are looking for? That our leader said 3 days ago, our leader they said that he wants peace to return in Biafra land. Is that the peace we're talking about? Since our leader made that comment, there has been so many killing by the Nigerian troops. That's why when I did my first video after that message from our leader, I said this thing will this one now will get worse, and that's exactly what is happening. These zoo governments are the ones already killing Biafrans. They are the one committing this evil with some paid people. Like our people, they are the ones that giving this zoo army information. Now, in some of the villages in Anambra State, in Enugu, in fact in Biafra, there have been so many reports of killings by the Nigerian security forces. This one just happened yesterday night. A lot of youths of Uburu and Uli, that is in Anambra State, where, we're given a RIP. And as we're speaking, it's still going on. It's ongoing operation that is happening in that place right now as we're speaking. And last week or last 2 days ago, there was a lot of, which I did the video, where the Nigerian army are deploying the equipment in Biafra land, in Anambra State, in Enugu State, in Imo State, in Ebonyi State. So why all this? Despite our leader calling for calm, despite our leader saying that he wants peace in Biafra land, he wants peace to return in Biafra land. So is that the peace our leader was talking about? Now, there has been so many killing as we are speaking for just 2 days ago, 2 days now, continuous up till today, Sunday. Heavy, attack is going on right now in some villages in Anambra State as we're speaking today, Sunday. So this is to show people that we are not the ones killing ourselves. It is the Nigerian government. I keep saying it. The zoo military. You've seen so many weapons that has been deployed in Southeast. Foot soldiers that has been deployed in Southeast. Why did they deploy them? And what exactly are they doing there? Tell me, what exactly are they doing there? What their work is, according to them, they are looking for non-government. They are looking for ESN. They are looking for agitators that are causing problem. And they end up, killing a lot of innocent civilians. So what exactly is going on? Yeah? Why all this attack? This is crazy. It's out of order. And we keep saying it every time. Now see them. They have even raised their own flag in that village as we're speaking. They have taken the village. Some of the communities right now is being occupied and they have taken it. The Nigerian zoo, you see them. They have taken some of the villages. And some of these villagers now, they have fled. Because there was heavy shooting around these villages by Nigerian security forces. So are we going to fold our hands and watch these people kill us? Are we going to sit down and look at them and say, oh, until when? Until when? So this is really crazy. What is the next action? What exactly is the next action Biafrans to do? Because at this moment in time now, they have already taken everywhere. And this is their plan. And this is what we've been preaching. The agenda. What they want to do. So now that our leader have said that we should, he want peace. But these people are bringing war to us. The zoo government are bringing war to us. So are we going to wait now until they finish us before we react or what? Which they have been doing already. Which has been taking place, which has been going on for quite some time now. Up to today as we're speaking. There is a report now coming out from these villages now that there is still, attack going on right now by these Nigerian forces. So what exactly should Biafrans do? My people, please, you can leave your comments. What do you think? Because this thing now is getting too much. These people, they are ready. They have made it clear. And you can see all the weapons they have been, shifting down to southeast. You saw the video that was circulating last week where they were shifting armored cars, armored tanks inside Biafra land. For what? For war. And they are using us now. They are using those weapons against Biafrans in Biafra land. Well, anyway, this is where I'm going to stop. Please leave your comment. What do you think that Biafrans should do now? Please leave your comment. Let me know what you think. Thank you, and God bless you all. Bye.